Operation explanation. Hello everyone. I am the storage king, double barrel. Generally, I will combine it with a cleaning truck to form a switch-free cleaning system. Taking hospitals as an example, each room is cleaned with one towel. Therefore, the double compartment bucket adopts a compartment design to separate clean and dirty items. The dirty dust cover is recovered and cleaned in a centralized manner, making it more efficient. 15 to 20 pieces of 40 cm dust covers can be placed in a single grid. Due to the epidemic, some dust covers need to be strengthened for secondary disinfection during cleaning. In order to separate excess chemicals or moisture, the inside of the double compartment bucket contains a drain net, effectively drains excess water. In hospital wards, each bed is clean with just one towel. Towels are in high demand. The double compartment bucket can be converted into a towel storage bucket in seconds, and 4 towel storage boxes can be placed inside. One side for cleaning towels and one side for recycling. Taking 35 cm towels as an example, a towel box can hold 20 towels. The label on the barrel can be customized. The double compartment barrel has a variety of combination functions, so stay tuned for more designs. Product name: Double Compartment Barrel. Purpose: to store floor towels, towels and other cleaning tools. Material: PP plastic. Color: gray. Towel storage box can be customized: red, yellow, blue, green and white. Features: contains a 1.8 cm high drain net, which drains water perfectly and ensures slightly moist cleanliness. Optional built-in towel box, convenient disinfection.